Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Hope everyone is having a great week, an awesome day. This is Anthony, CIO of GAR Capital, GAR Direct, coming to you live and direct, give you some Amazon information. Tons of people have been asking me about frequently asked questions. Can we create one? Can we create another video? So here we are. I'll be going over Spreadsheet Tracker, which is our profit tracker, which is literally everything you need to know because it covers your fees, your Amazon fees, what you pay in shipping costs, and everything. This will be updated multiple times a day um, via Google Drive. We'll also be going over the Amazon dashboard, which is your Seller Central, basically your home page of your Amazon storefront. And also we have put together a 3-page small presentation of some frequently asked questions on Amazon automation and what it is. Now, what I have open here is the Amazon Seller Central dashboard. As you can see today, we just started $208 in sales, 54,735, rolling 30 days, which is great, especially with passive income when you literally do nothing. This is what you do right here. Literally, this is what you do. You look at your money, you make sure everything's straight, you pay your taxes. That's another thing you have to do, which Amazon pays. Remember, the consumer pays taxes, not the reseller. So taxes doesn't come out of your pocket, but that's what you need to do. Oh, you need to cover the taxes. You need to pay your team 30% of profits, and watch your money grow. It's literally what you need to do. So let's get into. I'll start off with the PowerPoint I put together for you guys. Let's see. Now, Amazon automation. What is Amazon automation? GAR Direct has partnered with Vince Ecom Empire, my good buddy Vince. Known him for about 4 years. Started this Amazon business from scratch. These are the guys you want managing your store because you want the best in the game, the best in the business to manage your store. And this is who's the best. They run our store. We partnered with them to bring you Amazon automation. So simply put, automation is our professional management team running your Amazon storefront for you. They will be covering everything from A to Z that it takes to run the business successfully. Truly, truly a passive income business. You do not have to do a thing but watch your money grow. Beautiful thing, isn't it? Now, using the drop shipping method, which is what we use, we do not fulfill by Amazon. We only drop ship. Great strategy. Using the drop shipping method, we can list products online and have them sold before you even buy them. With no overhead, we buy the product when it's already sold in our store and ship it directly to the customer while keeping the profit. Beautiful thing, right? The key to running this business profitably and successfully is to have the right products and high volume. With profit margins of 10 to 15%, volume is key. Getting the buy box is also what our team specializes in. Well, it is what the team specializes in. Now, the buy box is when your store has the buy now button for a product or products. Hopefully, products. Now, buy box. So when you go to a store, just for example, when you go to an Amazon store, let's say you're going to buy a baby crib, and you see the buy now button, when you press that, it literally buys it from the store, whatever stores there. So let's say the store is called 123 Stores. You will be buying it from that store when you press the buy now button. That's what you want your store to have, and that's what the team specializes in. I mean, this is how you get all the sales, right? You want the first sale when they land on a product. You want to be the seller. You want your name there, right? So this is what the team specializes in. That's what's key. You have buy boxes for products, and you're winning all day. And that's what we like to do. Win. That's what we do. We win. So with over 120 students, account holders, and average profit margins of 10 to 15%, we're helping many people create a passive income lifestyle aggressively. And I say aggressively because, where do you get 10 to 15% of your money? Passively, it's tough. It's tough to get that out there. That's what we offer. Second page now. What does Amazon automation come with? Right? So we have a 1 to 4 person professional management team. Obviously, it starts out with one. At about the 30th day, 45th day, your volume will be pretty nice, and you'll start to get more manpower to your store. So it'll grow to 2 to 3 to 4, and you top out pretty much at 4 people because you'll have someone always working at an 8-hour shift. You always have to have someone working the store because when you have 1,000 units, 1,500 units being sold, believe me, every hour you have you have sales and you have to fulfill them at the supplier. So it's a constant 24/7 show, 24 hours, 7 days a week show that never stops. So, and this is key. This is why you want the automated team. So you get a 1 to 4 person professional management team. It is 100% fully automated, managed store from A to Z. Again, the management team will take care of everything. Everything that needs to be taken care of in the store will be taken care of. The only thing you need to do, like I said before, is pay your taxes and watch your money grow. The average is 10 to 15% profit margins, which is amazing. You have a live profit tracker via Google Drive, shared with the management team, and that's great because they update it constantly every few hours, so you're always seeing everything. And I'll show you that next too. That's what I'm going to jump into next, a spreadsheet, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And this is how you track your profits anyway. So this is, you guys got to see this. We have a Facebook group with over 120 plus automated members and tons of support and videos. And this is key. This is really key because a lot of clients have a lot of questions, and all you do, you go into the Facebook group and you literally come out with the answers. It's all there. It's literally all there. There's in the file section, we have tons of videos, tons of articles, saved questions with tons of answers from people who've been doing it for a while already. The tax exempt part of going automated is a little bit hard. It can be hard. So a lot of answers are there too. So the Facebook group and the support really, really helps. It's a big thing. It's a big part of the Amazon automation. And I love it. And you will too. Also, you get a 13 video dropshipping course taught by Vince, showing you our strategy, which is a $4,000 value alone. So if you wanted to get the course and learn our strategy and what the management team does, it is a $4,000 course. You will pay $4,000. So with Amazon automation, we give it to you for free. It's included in the $25,000 price tag. And this is great because you want to know, you don't have to take the course, but you kind of want to know, especially it's your business, even though you're not running it, you kind of want to know the ins and outs of it, at least to keep it in the back of your head. So, I mean, you just, if you want to skim through the video or if you want to really learn into it and dive into it, either way, it's there for you. And I recommend everyone to take the video, to take the course and learn what you're getting into, at least so you know. So that's good. And that's another value added. Now, how does the store continue to run? Do we have to pay the team? Yes. Yes, you do. The management team will be paid 30% of profits once a month via PayPal. Okay, and this is the incentive to keep the team working and pushing and growing. Okay, 30% of profits, and that's fine. I mean, you keep 70% of your money. You're not doing anything. You're literally not doing a thing. So that's great. Should want to give them the money. Here, good job, guys. Okay, next page. What is the cost of the store? Okay, the cost of the store is $25,000 upfront, no payment plans. Sorry, guys. Payment can be made via wire, ACH transfer, or cashier's check. If you guys are looking for a loan, there's no payment plans whatsoever. But if you guys are looking for a loan of $25,000 or more, DM me, and we do have a program that we can possibly get you into. You have to have above a 700 to 720 credit score and some decent credit history and borrowing history. Okay, that's what you need. So shoot me a DM, GAR Direct, Instagram, and we can go from there. So $25,000 up front, no payment plans is the cost of the store. Other details. Excuse me. The store will be set up under. These are just random questions that I get a lot. It's good stuff to know. The store will be set up under your name or LLC. It's not under Vince Ecom Empire. It's not under GAR Direct. It's not under the management team's name. It's under your name. It's your store or your LLC. All we do, or the management team gets user permission to go into the store. That is it. We have no control over anything else, right? So it's your store. It's going under your name or LLC, whichever you prefer. Consult your tax advisor on which and why. But just to let you know, there's really no difference between individual and LLC in terms of tax write-offs because you're still going to get the tax write-offs, right? LLC basically is for the liability portion of it. Limited liability company, so that you have no liability in case anything falls through. Individual, you're not protected. So that's what it really comes down to. In terms of tax write-offs and expenses, it's the same thing. Whether you're an individual or LLC, you'll still get them. Again, consult your tax advisor. So yes, the store will be set up under your name or LLC. That's that. And here's key: Amazon pays out every 14 days, every 2 weeks, directly to your checking account. So in the meantime, you must cover the orders on a credit card, Amex preferably, or any cashback card, which is another cashback bonus. When Amazon pays you, simply pay your card. Okay, so for 14 days, Amazon holds all your sales money, basically to cover any refunds or anything like that. They got to cover themselves and cover the buyer, of course. Um, so for 14 days, you're getting, let's say $2,000-3,000 in sales. Let's say you're getting $1,000 in sales. So for 14 days, you'll have about 14,000 piled up in your credit card. Which is great. If you First of all, you have to have the limit, or you can use cash. But we recommend an American Express card because of points, or a cashback card because of the cashback. Okay, because that's just bonus. I mean, you're getting when Amazon pays you, you're paying the card, right? So that cash back or the points is just bonus money. I mean, that's great. It's actually very good. I love the system actually. Um, that's what you can do. And that's that. So Amazon does pay you every 14 days. Keep in mind, you do have to have a card to cover the sales or cash. Well, again, we prefer card. Also, if you don't like that and you want more cash flow and you don't want high balances, you can use payability.com. We use them just because we like cash flow. So it's an option for more cash flow. 85% of your sales are advanced daily for 5 days a week for a 2% fee from gross sales. So the 2% comes from the gross sales, so you will take a hit on profits, that's for sure. But again, you'll get 85% of your sales advanced. So you're constantly paying your bill every day, 5 days a week. When payability pays you to your checking account, you pay the card. So that's another way. But it does hurt your profit a little bit. But hey, if that's what you want, we use it. We don't. It doesn't matter. Again, it's Amazon automation. I mean, we're not doing anything. So for more cash flow, sure, I'll take payability. And also you can negotiate with them. You can negotiate down to 1% fee from gross sales once you're in business for a couple months. And 90% sales. We actually had 90% of sales advance right now with a 1.5% fee. So that's good stuff. So this is pretty much the slideshow I put together. Working on a couple more things for frequently asked questions. Again, you guys can DM me. I'll get you at any time. We get you anything you'd like, any information, any answers or anything. Let me click out of this. Okay. Yeah. So Amazon is your seller central. Basically, you got your pending orders, unshipped. Buyer messages, your feedback, very, very key. 4.7 stars over the past 12 months, 151 ratings. Total balance, most recent payment, which is made to payability. Since we use payability. If not, this will go to your checking account. Again, this is what we have today. 200 in sales so far. 54,735, rolling 30 days. So this is good stuff, right? Now performance, this is what you will always, this is where you go. This is your homepage. This is the first page that you go to. Excuse me. That's the first page that you go to, this is your storefront. This is like walking into your store and saying, hey, okay, I'm in my store. This is what you got. Performance, account health, very big. Your metrics always have to be on point. Valid tracking rate, late shipment rate, pre-fulfillment cancel rate, this must stay at 0. This must be above 95%. 969 of 985 orders. Legit tracking numbers. Order defect rate, it has to be less than 1% per 60 days. So, we have order defect rate 8 of 2,398 orders, which is actually very good. And this is what's key. This is how you get the buy box and maintain the buy box. All right. You have to have great metrics and keep great metrics at all times. If you mess up on any of the metrics, you can get the buy box pulled from you. And that's what you don't want, because sales will slow up. And again, this is why you have the management team, because the management team knows all the ins and outs of how all of this works. So you literally want the best in the game to run your store. And this is what we offer, right? So that's that. Let's see. Going to the spreadsheet now. Spreadsheet tracker, right? Let's see. Start off October. I'll show you from October to February. October. All right. So what do we have? We have our product cost. We have the quantity sold. It's our first month in automation, which was October 5th. It's kind of like starting out. When you start out, it's a little bit slow. You know, you kind of have to get the volume going. You have to get the sales in, you know, low priced items to get sales, period, you know, things like that. So it's kind of like, you know, starting off, basically. That's what it is. Sale price and shipping, your cost of goods sold, your gross profit. Then you got your Amazon fees. They take 15%. Yes, they cost a lot. They're expensive. But again, where else do you get the marketplace that Amazon offers, right? I mean, they're the best, number one e-commerce giant on the planet. You know, this is the marketplace you want to sell on, right? So of course it's you got to pay to play, high price, high ticket item, right? Tax, this should be empty, and this is why we do tax exemption to start off your Amazon automation process, because you shouldn't pay tax on purchases, right? Because it's the consumer that pays tax. You're just a reseller, right? A lot of people don't know that. See, you must go tax exempt. So this should always be empty, except for a few states that you don't get any volume from. Shipping costs, depending how much it is, that's that. And then you have your net profit, right? Excuse me. Net profit is your profit number. Right now you have Upromise, Ebates, Top Cashback. This is just extra bonuses. Extra $200 brings it up another 4%. So from 7% profit margins brings it up to 11%. That's just the bonus, which is great. That will vary from month to month depending. But that, like I said, that's bonus along with your cashback from any card that you use. So that's good stuff. It's just extra money in your pocket, right? So October we had 330 net profit. Not much. We cleared almost 8,000 in sales, right? So let's move over to November. November 19%, big jump, 19% profit margins. 3,200 in profit. Sold almost 30,000, 28,000 in sales. So you see from the first month to the second month, you already have a 200% growth, right? It picks up rather fast. So you have 3,200 here. Net profit jump to December. Jumps even more. Here we have, we doubled, another 100% growth month. We doubled 62,000 in sales. Net profit 14%, 5,900. Amazing. This is great stuff. Then January, a slight pullback after the Christmas holiday season and all the good stuff. Finished at 56,797 in sales for the month of December. Net profit 13% profit margins. Net profit of $4,854.40. Amazing. I mean, literally doing nothing and counting the money, right? It's a beautiful thing. Again, you see the quantity to 200. And this is what I mean. I mean, it picks up a lot. It's a lot of orders that come through every day. I mean, literally like every hour you get orders and orders and orders. And this is why the team, this is why you need the team, right? So this is good stuff. And of course, in February, here we are now. February, we're at 12% profit margin. So far, we have 8,000 in sales. Net profit of $600, and we're 6 days in. Not even a week yet, and $600. Some people don't. Some people get paid $600 for the week, right? And you're getting it for doing nothing. And this is why Amazon automation is so beautiful, because of this. It's automated. You don't do a thing. You just watch your money grow and let the professionals handle all the work for you. So just for example, just to give you an idea of how fast you can see your return on investment, right? From October to January, we have 330 plus 3,209. I'll just round off 3,209, 5,919, 4,854. It's a beautiful thing. So from October to January, we have a net profit of $14,312, right? Now 30% of that, this is basically your overhead. 30% of that, the profits go to the management team, right? For their tremendous and amazing work they get 30%, which will leave you at a net profit after the management team payment of $10,019. Okay, so 4 months, you have 10,000 in profit. Okay, now that's a beautiful thing. That's just 4 months, and remember, you get growth month over month. This is the way Amazon works is more equals more volume and more sales equals more volume and more sales. So expect more growth as you go. $100,000 in sales a month is the goal. Okay, that's the first goal, and believe me, you'll get it before the first year is up. That's for sure. So that's why I like to say usually get your return on investment anywhere between 6 to 8 months. Of course, it varies from store to store, but that's pretty much where the average comes in. About 6 to 8 months, you get your money back, and everything else from there is profit. And again, this is just baseline here, right? This is baseline. This is not including your total profit from top cashback, from Upromise, from Ebates. This doesn't include any cashback, your Amex points, any cashback on your cards that you're using to purchase the products. That's all bonus money right there, right? So that even brings your profit into even way higher heights, right? So that's good stuff. And this is what the beauty of it is. That's why we're so big on using the American Express card instead of using cash. A lot of people ask, can we just use cash in a checking account? Sure, you can use cash, but why not use a card where you can get cash back? Especially a 0% APR or something like that. Get a new card. Again, you guys should know how to manage your cards and your credit and stuff. But again, just pointing out that the cashback is there, and that's beautiful. That's extra money for you. So here we are in February. Again, February with $600 profit, 12% profit margins. They're starting to come in. The sales a lot more now. The first few days was a little slow. Actually, the first few days were booming. Yesterday was actually a slow day. A slow day is a $1,300 day. It's not too slow, what's that? You figure 15%. You figure that's about what, 180 a day profit in your pocket. And this is what it's about. Once you reach a certain amount, above a thousand a day in sales, you're literally making anywhere from 75 to 175 a day profit, right? Profit. I mean, you're not doing anything. Let's just round it off and let's just say you make 100 a day. With if you make a thousand a day in sales on your Amazon store, you are literally making more than 100 a day profit. And that's great. 100 a day, just keep them coming. 100 a day, 100 a day. Just keep thinking like that. And that's serious money when you're not doing anything, right? And that's the beauty of it, of having this franchise. Amazon automation, baby, is the way to go right now. Especially in this day and age with technology. I mean, Amazon, it's great. It's great to have a store in the number one e-commerce giant on the planet. Why not? That's the main question. Why not? Right? So here you are, guys. Here's your video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked it. Again, shoot us a DM. Any questions you may have, any feedback would be appreciated. Anything you guys feel like I left out, let me know. I'll get you that information, and we will go from there, man. Anyone who's still interested in joining or who wants to join, shoot me a DM. GAR Direct Instagram, GAR Capital Direct at gmail.com is our email. You know where to find us, guys. So again, have a great rest of your day and see you at the top, guys.